How would I feel if I had an amazingly successful day today? How would I feel if I mastered my day today? How would greatness feel? How would abundance feel? How would health feel? And you said, I'm going to teach my body emotionally. That is the moment you start feeling worthy and abundant, you are generating wealth. The moment you start feeling empowered and your body starts to feel it, now you are stepping towards your success. The moment you're in love with yourself and you're in love with life, you begin to draw equals to you. The moment you start feeling gratitude and wholeness, that's the moment your healing begins. And when you're in awe of life, you are going to have a synchronicity or a mystical moment. Now that's causing an effect. It's so much easier to forget your vision of the future than to remember it, and it takes practice in order to do that. So in this meditation that I want to talk to you about, the thoughts that are standing in the way between you and your future, the behaviors that you'll have to stop executing, the emotions that you're going to have to trade for elevated emotions, I want you to write those down and deconstruct that personality. At the same time, we're going to reconstruct a new personality. What thoughts do you want to believe in? What behaviors? What acts? How can you be in one day? What emotions would you choose to live by every single day? And we're going to put you into an altered state, very light state, and all I'm going to do is have you become aware of your old self, familiar with that old self, so aware, so familiar that you don't go unconscious the remainder of your day. And then we are going to become familiar with, fire and wire, install new circuitry, condition your body emotionally into a new future. And as an experiment, we want to see, as you go from one personality to another, if you could catch yourself in your waking day and not believe certain thoughts, not speak unconsciously certain ways, don't act and feel in those same familiar patterns. And by doing that and beginning to think about who you want to be, let's try an experiment. Let's see how it begins to affect you in your life. I hope you enjoy it.
Come on now. It's time. Pull the mind out of the body and to ascend your energy, moving from particle to wave, from matter to energy, from living in survival to living in creation, transmuting the flesh and being the alchemist and turning limited emotions into elevated emotions and freeing yourself and to breathe with a level of energy and intensity that's greater than the addiction of any emotion. Freeing yourself from the past. Come on, here we go now. Contract those intrinsic muscles, perineum, lower abdomen, upper abdomen. As you pull those muscles up and in, inhale through your nose, and in one slow, steady breath, pull that energy from your perineum, through your lower abdomen, through your upper abdomen, through your chest, through your throat, through your brain, all the way to the top of your head, and hold it at the top of your head, and allow your energy to follow your awareness, and hold it and squeeze. Come on, hold it. And as you exhale, now relax. Come on, be your own hero. Overcome yourself and free the body from the past. Come on, again now, like drawing fluid up a straw. Inhale through your nose and contract those intrinsic muscles. Come on, pull that energy from your perineum all the way to the top of your head and hold it at the top of your head and let your energy follow your awareness and hold it there. Come on, hold it. Can you move your attention to the space that your throat occupies in space? And can you feel the volume of space that your throat occupies? In space? And can you become aware of the energy of space? Can you rest your awareness in the space in the center of your chest? In space? And can you become aware of the volume of space that the center of your chest occupies? In space? And what is freedom? Can you teach your body emotionally what it feels like to be liberated? What would that feel like? And what is invincibility? Come on, can you teach your body emotionally what it feels like to have an uncompromising will? What would that feel like? What is the greatest expression of yourself? Can you teach your body emotionally what it feels like to be unlimited, to be divine, to have a joy for existence, and to love who you are in all of life? Can you teach your body emotionally what your future could be like now? And allow your body to respond to a new mind. And the longer you rest your awareness in this state of being, the more you draw new opportunities to you. Come on, freeing your body from the past. You have to use a level of intensity that's greater than the hardwired programs in your brain and the emotional memories in your body. Come on, here we go now. Come on, squeeze those muscles and inhale through your nose and pull that energy from the base of your spine all the way to the top of your head. Hold your attention at the top of your head and let your energy follow your awareness and hold it there. Come on, squeeze and hold it, hold it. Come on, hold it and allow that energy to follow your awareness. Come on, hold it with the intention of pulling the mind out of the body and freeing yourself from the past. Come on, hold it. Hold it. And as you exhale, now relax. Relax. Come on, calm the vortex. Create a field around you by liberating energy. You have to go after it. Come on, take a big drink on this one now. Come on. Inhale and contract those muscles and follow that energy from your perineum through your body all the way to the top of your head and squeeze and hold at the top of your head. Come on, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. And as you exhale now, relax. 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 Come on, be your own hero. Overcome yourself and free the body from the past. Come on, again now, like drawing fluid up a straw. Inhale through your nose and contract those intrinsic muscles. Come on, pull that energy from your perineum all the way to the top of your head and hold it at the top of your head and let your energy follow your awareness and hold it there. Come on, hold it. And take your left hand and place it over your heart. And I want you to bless your body to a new mind, that it be lifted by your consciousness to bless your life, that it be an extension of your mind, to bless your soul, that it wakes you up from this dream. And that it show itself to you in mysterious ways. And finally, can you move into a state of gratitude? For a moment, open your heart and give thanks for a new life before it's made manifest. For gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership. Gratitude means it's already happened. And now, bring your awareness back to a new body, to a new environment, and to a whole new time. And when you're ready,
you can open your eyes.